When you pack for a trip, you want to look your best when you get there. When your clothes are wrinkled, you look like a tourist, and no one wants to look like a tourist. This is Pack Hack's Wrinkles. There is no way to 100% avoid wrinkles when you travel, because there are times when your bags may be out of your precious hands and shaking causes wrinkles and anxiety. The two main causes of wrinkles are not folding your clothes correctly and packing garments next to less flexible objects in your luggage, like shoes, belts, and your wooden spoon collection. They all can cause friction. Let's start with two simple rules to avoid wrinkles. Number 1. Always use the right size bag for your trip. Too big, and your clothes will move around and wrinkle. Too small and overstuffing will create wrinkles. Number 2. Avoid packing clothing that wrinkles easily, like linen and silk. Here are the hacks. Hack number 1. Use tissue paper when folding your garments to keep them from rubbing against each other. And then use plastic bags to protect them from your other items. You'll have to pack every garment individually, will reduce the friction on your fabric and cause fewer wrinkles. Hack number 2. Buy a folding folder to make sure your clothes are folded correctly, or make one. This is how stores make sure every item looks the same on the shelf. Hack number 3. Roll and pack silk ties and scarves in your shoes to protect them. Then pack heavier items on the bottom of your bag so they don't crease lighter items. Hack number 4. Minimize sport coat wrinkles by turning the jacket inside out and folding it before packing it. For pants, fold each pair lengthwise, layer them on top of each other, and fold the entire set over once. And it's always a good idea to pack your pajamas last, so that when you go rummaging for them when you arrive, you don't wrinkle all your neatly packed clothes. Hack number 5. And to make absolutely sure your clothes don't look like this, or this, or this, when you get to where you're going, hang your items near the shower in your hotel room. The steam will help do the rest. Now you know how to hack your pack to avoid wrinkles.